All right, so welcome to the practical training on how hackers create fake NFT websites to steal unsuspecting users' wallet information. So as you can see, this is my cPanel dashboard. So you can purchase your cPanel and then domain name from Namecheap, because that's the first thing that you need to do for you be able to build this kind of website. You need to buy domain name and then hosting so that you have cPanel access. All right, so you can get your domain name and hosting from Namecheap. All right, okay. So once you have your hosting ready, and you have to log in like this, okay, then you have to locate your file manager and click on it. So this is my file manager right here. So you have to upload, if you want to upload the script on the main domain name of your website, then you have to upload the script on this particular section, this public_HTML. all right, but that's not the domain name I want to use. I'm using an add-on domain, so this is it here. Okay, so but I don't want to upload the script that is in the NFT website on the main directory of this particular domain name. Okay, so I want to create a folder for it. So I will come over here now and click on folder. So I will just name it NFT. So I'll click on create. Awesome. So then I will have to search for the particular folder I just created, which is this. Then I will open it. Okay, so the next thing I will need to do now is to click on upload. All right, so I will go over to my system and then drag the NFT file to my server. Okay, then I will have to drag it like this and drop it here. Okay, as you can see, this is a very small file, 30.66 megabytes, so it won't take time to upload. Okay, so as you can see, the uploading is complete right now. So you have to click on this particular section to go back to the file manager. Okay, so the next thing I will need to do now is that I will need to extract this particular folder. And this particular file, as you can see, is a zip file. So I have to extract. So to extract, I will just have to right click and then locate extract here. All right, so I will click extract files. Awesome. So after extracting, you will now have two files, the zip file and the extracted file. So I'll have to delete this particular zip file because we don't need it anymore. Okay, then I will have to open this particular one. All right, so what I will do now is that I want to move this particular files that are inside this particular, and these files that are inside this folder, I want to move them to this particular section of I want to move them to this particular folder that we created. So I don't want a situation whereby the file will be inside the folder we created and inside another folder. So to move this file now, we just have to open it. Then I will select all, then right click and click on move. Okay, so I will have to clear this particular NFT wallet. Okay, so I will leave it like this, then I will click on move files. Okay, so let me go back to the folder now. All right, so as you can see, those are the website files. So for us to be able to access our website now, I have to copy this link. So this is the link. I'll copy, then I'll come over here and then I'll paste. All right, so as you can see, this is the website. This is the fake NFT website that the hackers use to steal unsuspecting user that is a wallet information. All right, so but the next thing that we need to do right now is to configure our to do our email configuration. All right, so to do the email configuration, then you locate this particular folder, this sync.php. So I will have to right click and I will edit. Okay, so once I click edit, so the files will open like this. So I need to, set where the information that the users enter, so the particular email that will receive them. So that's what I will use here. Then I have to create a webmail. All right, so I have to create a webmail. That is the email that will be used to send the information to this particular email address that will be receiving it. Okay, so to create our webmail now, I will come over here. I will go back to our main dashboard. Okay, then I will locate this particular section that says create an email account. So I can either click here, or I will scroll down to this particular section that says email account. I can use this particular section also. Then from here, I will click on create. All right, so the reason why I need to select the particular domain name I want to use to create this particular webmail is that I have more than one email added to this particular cPanel. Okay, so all I need to do now is I will type in the name, that is the username of the email. So let's say NFT. Okay, then I will type my password. Okay, then I will click on create. Awesome, guys. Awesome. So the next thing I'll need to do right now is to copy this particular webmail I just created, and I'll go back to this section of the script. Then I'll have to clear this one. All right, so I'll have to clear it and paste it here like this. Then we have to go back to, I will have to type in the email that I'll be using for this to receive the information. So I have to copy the email that I will use to receive information whenever a client enter his or her recovery phase from the website. So I will come over here and edit this particular one and paste. Okay, so after changing this particular email and then changing this also, then you have to click on save changes. All right, so that's how to configure the email settings. Okay, so the particular email that you put in this section, that's where the message will be sent to. That's where the website will be sending any message that a user entered from the site. Okay, so let's go over to the website now and refresh. Then we have to test if our email configuration is working properly. All right, so let's test now. I'll click on connect wallet. So let me say I'm using MetaMask. Okay, so I'll click on connect manually. Let's say okay, so let's use this. Then I'll click on proceed. Okay, so let's go to the email right now and refresh. Okay, so this is the message over here. Let me open it and see. Okay, awesome, guys. So as you can see, the wallet is MetaMask, and the wallet phrase this is just a text message. So that's how hackers use this particular fake NFT website to steal unsuspecting users' information. So you can do the same thing in case you need this particular website for yourself or for your project. So you can contact me to build it for you, or if you need the script, so I can also sell the script for you. Thank you very much for watching.